Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dia Pramesti and I am from English Education Department of Universitas Ahmad Dahlan. So, last week my lecturer gave me an assignment to um, media development to tell you about the Azure, and I got the state objectives here. So let's get started. So yeah, Azure itself is an instructional design model that has the goal of producing more effective teachings and learning. The acronym of Azure itself are A for analyze learners, S for state objectives, and then S for select strategies, U for utilize technology, media, and materials, R for requirement learners' participations, then E for evaluate and raise. So, objectives is a specific result that a person or system aims to achieve, and in general, objectives are more specific and easier to measure and goals. All planning and strategic activities are the basic tools that underlie. So, state objectives here means the statement of what the learners will do as a result of the instructions they will receive. And in state objectives, there are A, B, C, D format. That means A for audience. It means audience focus on what the learner's doing. So learning is most likely to take place when learners are active, and it means learners should dominating the activity of learning. The example is when the teacher repeating the objectives in material written for student use. The informal you is preferable, and student will like these materials, I think. So next is behavior. Behavior is what audience will do after the instructions. Then they will make objectives observable and measurable. The example of behaviors are learners should be able to write a report, and then they have to describe the steps of their report. So yeah. And next is C for conditions. The preparation of what learners need, and a kind of preparations are tools, materials, and other necessity. So the example of this is students are able to use notes in describing something. So when students have difficulty to know something, then they will able to make a notes, some notes. Okay. The last one is degree. Degree is the accuracy, time limit, and how far the learner's material have. The examples is student should be able to solve 5 quadratic equations in 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Next, the important things we should know about the state objectives are: the first one is help select strategies, technology, and media that will ensure learning. So, what does it mean? Because to make sure what the best of that, we have to do the research with student and possibility to catch the good learning processes. Next is ensure assessment of student learning. I think it is very important because the assessment of students are very important to know the measure of students during the learning. And the last one is better if students have prepared when they know expected outcomes. What does it mean? With well preparation, students will get what they need of the learning process until the expected outcomes beyond the expectation, and it will give the individual fulfillment for them. So the conclusion of this video are: the objectives can be used in assessing the success of the students, perhaps for the grading process. Also, as a teacher, we can use them to let the learners know what they will accomplish through the class. So yeah, that's definitions and the acronym, also the example of stats objectives. And thank you for watching my video, and see you guys next. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.